Without it, I scream. I need to avoid suffocation. Oh, I know this is a deprived condition. No, this is my internet addiction. Thank you.
I am in BS grade. The title of my poem is Kidnapping. Line by way. Kidnapping. Demanding for money. For the wicked to share where the truth is. Kidnapping, loneliness and cruelty, and bitter crime, taking advantages of others. The world may be better, but love will free us. We may be bound, but we'll be free in our minds. Kidnappers may have our day, but we may have their future. The kidnapper will be the prisoner, and the kidnapped will be free as the ocean. Thank you.
I am in class 3. The title of my poem is Hope is the Infinite. Hope is the infinite that perches in the soul and sing the tune without the weight and never stop at all. And sweetest is the struggle instead, and so must be the storm that would abandon the little bed that kept home when you warm. I have heard it in the childless land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity. It asks a poem from me, written by Emily Dickinson. Thank you.
Thank you.
I am in class 3. The title of my poem is The Selfish Leader's Play. Before I say my poem, I want to say the national play. I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold in alliance the heritage won for us through the blood and toil of our fathers. I pledge myself with all things. I uphold and defend the good name of Ghana. So help me God. The selfish leader. I profess with my power to be fanciful and loyal. In Ghana, my family land, I demand the tax of service to man, with all my wealth and in all my pride. I profess so in my region, the privilege won for myself, through the blood and toil of my fans. I place myself in all things, to mold and defile the good name of Ghana. So back to God, thank you.